Good morning to all of you. I'm Massimiliano Perversi. I'm the general manager at the Carlton Hotel Baglioni in Milan. The Carlton Hotel Baglioni Milan is part of the Baglioni Hotels collection, and that is an individual private Italian company based on five-star deluxe properties all over Italy. We are representing in particular the major cities like Rome, Venice, Florence, and definitely Milan. Before that, I want to talk with the property. I want to just spend a couple of words related to the Milan city. That many of you knows that Milan is the business city at all, but at the same time, we can just highlight another couple of important things related to the Milan city. Milan city is art and culture, and not only business, restaurant, and fashion. Having said that, the Carlton Hotel Baglioni is, I want to say that is an amazing property located in downtown Milan, in the middle of the fashion district, so it's absolutely walking distance to the major fashion house. Is an hotel, is a traditional city hotel mixed by some modern touch with the design touch, and is an hotel with 92 rooms. Part of those rooms are suite, exactly 18 suites, and the rest of the inventory is divided by classic rooms, superior, deluxe, and as I said, the 18 suites are all different one to the other. The location of the hotel is absolutely the major selling point. In fact, everybody that they can enjoy the Carlton in Milan, they can just walk around, have have whatever they need, just going shopping, just having museum and restaurants is absolutely unique, and this is something that I want to highlight because it's absolutely the important things about the Carlton. The Carlton, including the Carlton, there are other different services that we have. Definitely we have an important restaurant that is called Il Baretto. It is one of the major, is probably, during the last 15 years, the best restaurant in town. Everybody knows in Italy, in particular, Il Baretto. Everybody, they are fine to find out tables at the Baretto. And because normally they have people, the clients of the Baretto, they are politicians, they are artists, or people that are coming from the jet set. So definitely, obviously, the Baretto is inside the property of the Carlton, and all the guests from the Carlton Hotel Baglioni are definitely very welcome at the restaurant. But you have to book in advance because all the time is absolutely full. There is another option that you can get if you want to stay for a couple of days in Milan, is the spa. We just opened the brand new spa. It's called Spiga 8. And then is the classical city spa, where you can get all the kind of different treatments, massage, all 12 hours a day, and then we can provide all the, all the treatment that you want. And the important things that is, it takes the name from Spiga 8, from the street, that is Via della Spiga. It is one of the major streets for the fashion. In particular, you will see from Via della Spiga, you will get all the major showroom, and we are talking about the most important Italian brands like Armani, Fendi, Gucci, Prada, Versace, and so on. So, having said that, Via della Spiga is important for the Carlton Hotel Baglioni because just a few years ago we opened something like a private entrance from Via della Spiga. This is really appreciated from our guests because they can just walk directly from the downtown and the fashion district directly to the hotel. So it's an important point that highlights, first of all, the location of the property, and particularly the service that we can provide them. For Milan in particular, we can organize all other different activities, and I'm talking about a theater or events in general. Having said that, I'm very happy to welcome you to the Carlton Hotel Baglioni in Milan, and definitely I hope to see you soon. And if you need, definitely you will find all the information through this website and through this connector with signature. And I'm so happy to have you at the hotel in the near future.